Hi, Jeff Williams here with another video to help you succeed in business. Do you want to increase the value of your business? You're looking to sell your business? Well, if you do, you want to have a secret formula. So what's your secret formula in the business? Well, a secret formula basically is just something that's unique about your business, something that brings your customers back again and again, something they can't get anywhere else. That makes sense. Something that makes you stand out. It could be that you're quicker in the way in which you deliver service. It could just be the way in which you deliver your service, the way your team delivers service. There could be something technical that you do that nobody else does. And what that does, it brings customers back over and over again. So why is that important? Well, number one reason, it makes you unique. It makes your service desirable. It makes your service a premium offering. People can't get it anywhere else. And for that reason, it allows you to put a premium on your price. Now that's really important because what that does is it increases what we call the gross profit in your business. Gross profit is your sale price less the cost of sale. So the higher the price, the bigger that what we call the gross margin. That's really important for a second reason. Anybody that's looking to buy your business sees a business with a higher gross profit, which means for every pound they sell, they have more money left, which they can use to reinvest in the business, to improve the people, to improve the systems even further, and it'll help them. It gives them headroom to increase the value of the business. If your business has a secret formula too, it means you have a higher level of cash flow, and your customers are coming back on a repeat basis, which makes your marketing cheaper too. So have a look at your business. What is the secret formula in your business? Do you know what? It's probably right there out in the open and you can't see it. Take some time this week to stop and think, what is the secret formula? Are we telling people about it? And if you'd like some guidance as to how to do that, please connect with me, drop me a DM. I'll let you have a guide which will show you how to build your secret formula and make it really viable to people. If you've enjoyed this video, if you think somebody else will benefit from it, please like, share or comment on this video. And if we're not connected yet, connect with me and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video you need to succeed in business. See you next time.